teacher is back with a concept time session. We will learn about a new story, an interesting one today. So are you ready?
Once upon a time, there lived a cow on the farm. It had a baby called Calf. Moo, moo, baby, come here. It is time for milk. But there was no response, children. Cow mooed again, moo, and again, moo. But no one answered. Then the cow thought, let me go and look for my baby. The cow goes around the farm looking for its baby, calling out, baby, baby, where are you? A kitten comes out of the farmer's house and says, are you looking for me, mother cow? Cow said, no, dear kitten, I am looking for my calf, my baby. Kitten said, how does it look, mother cow? Cow said, the way you look like your mother, the cat, my baby looks like me. Then the cow goes ahead. It reaches the kennel, looking for its baby, calls out, baby, baby. A puppy comes out of the kennel and says, are you looking for me, mother cow? No, dear puppy, I am looking for my calf, my baby. Puppy asked, how does it look, mother cow? Cow said, the way you look like your mother, my baby looks like me. Then the cow goes ahead, looking for its baby, calling out, baby, baby, where are you? Then the baby goat kid comes out and says, are you looking for me, mother cow? Cow said, no, dear kid, I am looking for my calf, my baby. Kid said, how does it look, mother cow? Cow said, the way you look like your mother, the goat, my baby looks like me. Then the cow goes ahead, children, worried and looking for its baby, calling out, baby, baby, please come out. Then the lamb comes out and asks, are you looking for me, mother cow? Cow said, no, dear lamb, I am looking for my calf, my baby. Lamb asked, how does it look, mother cow? Cow said, the way you look like your mother, the sheep, my baby looks like me, the cow. The cow goes ahead. It reaches the sty, children, looking for its baby. Still, cow is looking for the baby and calling out, baby, baby. Then a piglet comes out and asks, are you looking for me, mother cow? Cow said, no, dear piglet, I am looking for my calf, my baby. Piglet said, how does it look, mother cow? The way you look like your mother, the pig, my baby looks like me. The cow goes ahead. It reaches the stable, looking for its baby, calls out, baby, baby. Then a foal comes out and asks, are you looking for me, mother cow? Cow said, No, dear foal, I am looking for my calf, my baby. Foal asked again. How does it look, mother cow? Cow said, the way you look like your mother, the horse, my baby looks like me. The cow goes ahead, worriedly, looking out for its baby, calling out, baby, baby, where are you? Then a chick comes out and asks, are you looking for me, mother cow? Cow said, no, dear chick, I am looking for my calf, my baby. Chick asked again, how does it look, mother cow? Cow said, the way you look like your mother, the hen, my baby looks like me, the cow. The cow goes ahead, looking for its baby, calling out, baby, baby. It hears, moo, moo. The sound was coming from the duck's pond. Cow got very happy and said, oh, there it is, my baby, the calf. Calf said, hey mother, I came here to have water. Cow said, let's go to our shed, dear baby. It's time for your milk. Then children, both the cow and the calf go towards their shed. They went back to their home. Yay!
Wow, children! We have met few baby animals today. So do you remember them?
Okay, children. It's time to do the worksheet. Let's see, what do we have to do over here? We see animals and their babies over here. Tell teacher that which animal is this? Yes, it is a pig. And what do we call a baby pig? A piglet. Very good. Next, tell teacher that which animal is this? Very good. It is a cow. And what do you call a baby cow? A calf. Then, what do we have? Which animal is this? A horse. And what do you call a baby horse? Foal. Very good. And then, which animal is this? Yes, it is a dog. And what do you call a baby dog? A puppy. Then we have, check out. Let's check out the last picture. Yes, which animal is this? A hen. And what do you call a baby hen? Chick. Very good, children. Teacher is so proud of you that you could name the baby animals. Okay. Let's cut out these animals and their babies pictures with the help of Mummy and Papa, children. Let's have a look at another worksheet, children. What do we see over here? We see the houses of the farm animals. As we have got the cutouts of the pictures of the farm animals, it's time to stick them next to their houses. Let's help these animals reach their houses. So first, what do we see here? It is a kennel. A kennel is the house of dogs. So let's take the pictures of dog and the baby dog called Puppy over here. Next, what do we see? A pigsty. A sty is the house of pigs. So let's take the pictures of pig and piglet over here. Next, what is this? What is this? A hen coop. Very good. A hen coop is the house of hens. So let's take the pictures of hen and the baby hen called chick over here. Next, what do we have? A horse stable. A horse stable is a house of horses, children. So let's take the pictures of horse and the baby horse called foal over here. And last, what do we see? What is this? A cow shed. It is a house of cows. So let's take the pictures of cow and the baby cow called calf over here. Very good, children. So let's finish sticking them with the help of Mommy and Papa.
Okay, children, you've done the worksheet so well. So, clap for yourself. Come on, clap for yourself. Very good, children. So, children, we have learnt about many baby animals today. So, do remember their names.